You'll love how easy it is to use this all-in-one report card and assessment kit. All the planning and prep work have been done for you. This kit meets most, if not all, state standards and comes complete with assessment kits, recording forms, and report cards. I've streamlined the entire process for you. Simply place the assessment mats in front of students and record their answers directly onto the report card. Quarterly report cards come in both color and black and white. These report cards match the assessment kit perfectly. They are so easy for parents to understand. Student assessment folders makes it so easy to keep track of student data and communicate with parents. Students fill out a self-reflection and a self-portrait sheet each quarter. Additional goals are included that you can edit yourself. Add any goals and standards that are not included on the report card. Assessing students, documenting data, filling out report cards, and communicating with parents has never been so easy. This all-in-one kit has everything you need.